Apart from cutting pieces of wood, drilling holes may be the next important part of a woodworker's life. That is why a good drill press is a necessity, whether you're a professional woodworker, a carpenter, a metal craftsman, or just the typical husband making improvements on your home. To make your buying decision easier, we came up with the top 5 best drill presses that are available on the market today. This accurate and versatile machine is a must-have tool for shops and homes alike. A handy drill may be effective, but the drill press machine assures more safety and security. So sit tight and watch intently as we start with our number 1 product on the list. On the top of the list is the WEN 4208 8 inches 5-speed drill press. This power tool gives essence to the term powerful because of its exceptional ability to drill through metals, plastic, wood, and other tough materials. The 1-inch thick cast iron, its maximum drill capacity, is about ½ inch. Powerful, compact, versatile, these words describe the WEN 4208 drill press and its amazing features. It has a rigid cast iron head, base, and table. The pre-drilled holes in the base enable easy mounting onto a workstand or bench. The slotted tables are ready to accommodate mounting clamps and vices. For perfect and consistent right angles, its work table bevels 45 degrees left and right. Furthermore, the ½ inch chuck with its JT33 spindle taper provides versatility for various bits. When your task requires repeatable and precise holes, the WEN drill press will do the job for you. It's more convenient to use compared to handheld drills. Its portable size is ideal for your home workspace and easy to transport if you will be taking your job on site. The outstanding features of the WEN 4208 are the 5-speed operating setting, locking depth stops, and onboard key storage. It's powered by a highly durable 1/3 horsepower induction motor. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Coming in at the second spot on our top 5 best drill presses is the SKIL 332001 10-inch drill press with laser. This drill press is perfect for the woodwork hobbyist looking for greater precision than what a regular handheld drill can offer. The SKIL 332001 drill press boasts of an X2 2-beam laser that assures precise hole alignment and the depth adjustment system that enables woodworkers to drill down with consistency each time. The 3320 drill press is also equipped with a 5-speed cutting system that cleanly cuts holes through metal, wood, and other materials. This drill press comes with a 0 to 45 degree left and right tilting work surface that locks between a 0 to 45 degree angle, which ensures precise and consistent angle drilling. This feature is perfect for difficult angled woodworks. Working with a massive piece of wood, the 3320 drill press has you covered. The square work surface helps hold more abundant materials. This drill press is also equipped with a ½ inch keyed chuck, which accepts more significant bits for cutting and woodworking. The final woodwork made using the SKIL 332001 10-inch drill press is outstanding and satisfying. This drill press offers excellent results and is one of the best drill presses on the market. Impressed with the first 2 reviews? Let's take it slow since we have 3 more to go. Subscribe to our channel to get more review videos and click on the bell icon to be notified of our future reviews. If you like this video and you feel like helping us more, we've launched a Patreon campaign where you can support us and build the backbone of how we can continue to create free review videos for you. We've left a link of our Patreon page in the description below where we've explained everything, so please consider checking it out. Let's move on to the next one. Next on our list is the Buck Tool Drill Press Laser Track Guided Bench. This handsome tool features its drill press with 10-inch swing and 5-speed design in which the drill speed is adjustable from 610 to 2800 revolutions per minute. With its 3/4 horsepower motor, drilling aluminum, plastics, metal, and wood won't take most of your time. In addition to that, the laser assignment system and 3 LED lights can help you work even in dark places. It has a respective switch to provide even more light. Moreover, the 6.2 amperes of the motor can do the job in achieving precise and convenient drilling of the holes. The drilling depth is adjustable, wherein you can adjust the 2 nuts that are intended to limit the spindle movement. The head table is made of cast iron and the drive pulley as well, resulting in low noise and vibration while you're at work. The Buck Tools drill press has a cross laser guide which is already set up by the factory with high accuracy. However, you can have it adjusted depending on your preferred setting. It meets the standards of the Canadian Standards Association, making users less worried about convenience and effectivity. I know you're excited to see the last 2 drill presses on review, but just in case you're thinking of buying something and need some help to make your purchase decisions easier, just comment down below and we'll review the products for you. Also, we welcome all your suggestions to make our channel better. The wait is over. Let's proceed. Next item on the list is the Jet 716,000 JWDP 12-inch drill press, an item that will not disappoint you with its power and flexibility. It has a half-horsepower motor which will take almost anything you throw at it. Its spindle travels 3 1/8 inches that will give you a significant press drilling depth, a variable speed that can be effortlessly set using the lever, a speed indicator displayed on the digital readout. Add to that, it also has an LED work light and the ingenious X-shaped Exacta laser crosshairs, and you'll get an efficient device that will give you convenience every time you use it. Jet 716,000 drill press compact benchtop design allows you to move it where you are comfortable working. The 10 inches by 16 1/8 inches cast iron base will sit neatly on a workbench that has narrow spaces. With a large stable base, it will prevent any tipping and suppress any vibration. The retractable roller extension adds outboard support and allows you to adjust your workpiece quickly. This powerful machine is also equipped with a mechanical variable speed drive that will change the speed smoothly. The Jet drill press is the ideal machine that will finish every project in no time because of its dominant feature that is set to give you convenience. The Fox W1668 3/4 horsepower benchtop oscillating drill press drops in the 5th and last spot. This machine is excellent for a smooth and complicated task. It's best for minimal workspace and able to perform almost anything in different materials. With enough power and efficiency to give you the best result that will not break the bank. Fox W1668 drill press has 3/4 horsepower motor that will help you manage drills on heavy materials. The work table can be easily tilted up for 45 degrees left or right. Height can also be set to do any specific drilling and sanding in any straight angles, completing your project with the desired output. The 12-speed operation ranges from 250 to 3,050 revolutions per minute, allowing the instrument to work as a drill or oscillating sander. A 5/8-inch drill chuck brings flexibility for different types of bits, allowing drilling of the same depth in different materials. The spindle travels 3 1/4 inches that can reach great depths. It gives you precise drills up to 3 inches deep and also swings up to 13 1/4 inches. A very sturdy, easy to assemble and well-packed machine that will accomplish almost all of your dream projects. These are the 5 best drill presses, all to make buying decisions easier. These sturdy and powerful machines can do it all from woodcrafting to metal drilling safely and accurately. If you find any of the featured tools interesting, just click on the link below to get a discounted price. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to access our extensive list of product reviews. Hit the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Here at ReviewTube, we welcome all your comments and suggestions, so if you think we missed something, don't hesitate to comment down below and we're sure to look into it. Again, thank you for watching the video. See you next episode.